Long ago, there was a kingdom ruled by a kind and caring king. The people in his kingdom lived happily and peacefully. They had enough food, wealth, and everything they needed for a comfortable life. There were no major troubles, and everyone respected and loved their king because he always thought about the well being of his people. One day, the king decided to leave his palace and travel across his kingdom. He wanted to visit famous historical places and holy pilgrimage sites. Instead of riding a horse or traveling in a royal carriage, he chose to walk on foot. He believed that walking would help him meet ordinary people, understand their daily lives, and hear their problems directly. Wherever he went, people warmly welcomed him. They felt honored that their king had come to visit them personally. They praised him for being humble, kind hearted, and caring. The king continued his journey for several weeks. He visited many villages, towns, temples, and other important places. Everywhere he went, he saw that his people were living happily and peacefully. This made him feel proud and satisfied. He enjoyed talking to his people and learning about their lives. However, as the days passed, walking on rough roads became very difficult. Most of the roads were covered with stones, rocks, and sharp pebbles. Since the king was not used to walking such long distances, his feet became sore, swollen, and very painful. When he finally returned to the palace, he was pleased with his successful journey, but he could not forget the pain in his feet. He complained to his ministers that the roads in the kingdom were too rough and uncomfortable. He said that if he had suffered so much, then the common people who walked on those roads every day must be suffering even more. Feeling sorry for them, he decided to solve the problem in the biggest way he could think of. The king gave an order that all the roads throughout the kingdom should be covered with leather, so that nobody would have to walk on sharp stones again. He believed this would make traveling comfortable for everyone. As soon as the ministers heard this order, they became shocked and worried. They knew that covering every road with leather would require an enormous amount of leather. Thousands of cows would have to be killed, and the cost would be extremely high. It would waste the kingdom's wealth and create many new problems. However, none of the ministers had the courage to disagree with the king. After thinking carefully, one wise minister stepped forward respectfully. He bowed before the king and said, "Your Majesty, I have a much simpler and wiser solution. Instead of covering every road in the kingdom with leather, why not use only a small piece of leather to cover your own feet? If your feet are protected, you can walk comfortably on the road." The king remained silent for a moment as he thought about the minister's advice. Soon he realized how wise those words were. He understood that it was much easier and more sensible to change himself than to change the entire world around him. He immediately cancelled his earlier order and asked the royal craftsman to make a strong and comfortable pair of leather shoes for him. He also encouraged all the people in the kingdom to wear shoes whenever they traveled on rough roads. From that day onwards, everyone learned an important lesson from the king's experience. They realized that many problems can be solved more easily by changing ourselves instead of trying to change everything around us. Moral: instead of trying to change the whole world to suit ourselves, we should first change ourselves. A small change in our own attitude or actions can often solve a big problem.